Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Inside Club. In this video, we are discussing question number 6B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. So we will provide according to your WhatsApp and here the number is 900-936-8238 where you can call or message on anytime. So here the question number 6 is to conduct a critical study of patterns of social transformation that happen in 20th century world based on your study. Prepare a table to highlight social changes brought by industrialization and prepare a comparative table to highlight differences between capitalist and socialist countries. So here we discussed about this question is basically from the lesson 27 and we have prepared answers according to the chapter wise according to the word limits. If you need answers you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide accordingly on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching.